Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the front shocks on your Dodge Ram 2500. This easy method is designed to help you complete the job efficiently, saving you both time and money on professional repairs. We'll cover everything from gathering your tools to the final checks, ensuring a smooth process. You'll be surprised how straightforward this maintenance task can be with the right guidance. Let's get started and improve your truck's ride quality. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your Dodge Ram 2500 is parked on a level, stable surface and engage the parking brake. You'll need a sturdy jack, 2 reliable jack stands, and a lug wrench. Don't forget your personal protective equipment, including safety glasses and gloves, to prevent any injuries. Taking these preparatory steps seriously will make the entire shock replacement process much safer and more manageable for you. Once the truck is safely supported, you can begin the removal process. Start by loosening the lug nuts on the front wheels, then lift the vehicle and place it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheel, then unbolt the upper and lower mounting fasteners of the old shock absorber. Carefully remove the old shock. Now, position your new shock and secure it with the appropriate bolts, ensuring they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications for optimal performance. With the new shocks installed, it's time for the final steps. Reinstall the wheel, then carefully lower your Dodge Ram 2500 back to the ground. Make sure to torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specified foot-pounds for safety. Take your truck for a short test drive to ensure everything feels right and there are no unusual noises. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals to keep you comfortable during your next project.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.